It was Valentine's Day 2018, usually a day for love and celebration. But for Indian banking sector, it marked the beginning of a nightmare, the Nirav Modi scandal. A scandal that involved around $1.8 billion sent shockwaves through the financial world. In today's video, let us dive into the detail of this massive fraud that happened and let us understand how one man managed to pull off the biggest banking scam in India's history. Nirav Modi, a name that once symbolized luxury success in the jewelry industry, is now known for one of the largest financial frauds. Born on February 27, 1971, in Palanpur, Gujarat, Nirav moved to Antwerp, Belgium with his family. He attended the prestigious Wharton School but dropped out to join his family's diamond business. Modi's exceptional business skills were evident when his beautiful jewelry pieces graced the cover of Christie's and Sotheby's catalogs. He even featured in Forbes' list of Indian billionaires in 2013. However, behind this glittering face lays a mystery. In 1999, Nirav Modi founded Firestar Diamond International, specializing in high-end jewelry. His brand expanded rapidly, opening stores in major cities and worldwide. By 2014, Nirav Modi was a name to be associated with in the luxury jewelry market, boosting over $2 billion in sales. But this all money, fame and power was lost in the blink of an eye. Behind this success lays a sinister plot. The scam, a mastermind by Nirav Modi and his uncle Mehul Choksi, exploited the weakness in the banking system. The key tool in this fraud was something called as Letter of Undertaking or LOU. An LOU is a type of guarantee from a bank. It allows someone to get loans from the foreign banks. Normally, a bank requires some form of security or collateral to issue an LOU. However, in this case, Punjab National Bank official bypassed all the rules, issuing unauthorized LOUs without any collateral. Imagine you're a small business owner wanting to import unique jewelry from Italy. The Italian seller might be hesitant to send you the jewelry on credit, and since they do not know you, this is where the letter of undertaking comes into picture. It is like your bank vouching for you to another bank. Here how it works in detail. Suppose your bank is in India, issues an LOU to the Italian bank, essentially saying, we trust this customer to repay the loan. If they can't, we will pay. With this guarantee, the Italian bank feels secure and sends you the jewelry. You then sell the jewelry and use the profit to repay the loan you took from your Indian bank along with the interest. But in the case of PNB, these LOUs were kept off the bank's main record system, making them invisible to regular audits. The scam continued undetected for years until a new official at the PNB demanded collateral from Modi's firm. This raised suspicion and an internal investigation began. On February 14, 2018, PNB publicly acknowledged the fraud, revealing the unauthorized transaction worth $1.8 billion. The fallout was swift and severe. Several PNB officials and Nirav Modi's associates were arrested. Modi himself fled the country, eventually being arrested in London in March 2019. Legal proceedings for the extradition of India's are ongoing, marked with numerous twists and turns. The scam has a huge impact on the India's banking sector. PNB's stock fell, investors lost billions, and the Reserve Bank of India introduced strict regulation to prevent such fraud in the future. LOUs were banned and the SWIFT banking communication system was integrated with the main banking records to prevent such loopholes. In response to the scam, the government introduced Fugitive Economic Offenders Act in 2018. This law allows authority to seize the properties of economic offenders who have fled the country. Meanwhile, Modi faces multiple charges including criminal conspiracy, cheating and money laundering. The Nirav Modi scam serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerability in the banking system and the devastating effect of financial fraud that can happen to everybody. While reforms have been introduced, the saga underscores the need for constant vigilance and robust mechanism to safeguard the economy from similar threat in the future. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. For more such exciting videos, do subscribe to our channel.